Okay, express Rumpus room makeover, let's go. This Rumpus room was giving rental energy. Zero personality, zero warmth, zero wow. So I added one thing that changed everything, the wallpaper. This is one of my all-time favorite designs. I actually designed this originally for the Motley Art Series Hotel in Melbourne. And if you've ever stayed there, it's all throughout their corridors. Okay, wallpaper is done. Time for styling. Styling wise, with the wallpaper as the hero, I kept it nice and open as the space gets used for everything from gaming through to movie nights and even dance practice and more. Okay, it's looking pretty awesome, but there's one little finishing touch. I'm gonna put some art on the wall, but not just any art. We've turned our dog into some custom framed artwork. Because if you're obsessed with your pet, why not put them on the wall? Even if Bruno was a little bit apprehensive about seeing himself as art. He's walked away. There you have it, the same Rumpus, totally different energy, and all that's missing is... The wallpaper sets the mood, the custom artwork makes it personal, and that's how you turn a house into your own personalised space. Well done. Well done, girls. Good job.